Welcome to Omni Academy. This is Maria, and today we are starting our ninth lecture on the development of eye. In the last lecture, we studied the development of rest of the structures of eye, and in today's lecture, we will be studying the sources of development of eye along with their derivatives. So, this is going to be a summary of the whole session that we have conducted on the development of eye on YouTube. So, let's start our today's lecture. As I mentioned in the first lecture that we need four sources to develop human eye. What these sources are: number 1 neuroectoderm, number 2 surface ectoderm, number 3 mesoderm, and number 4 neural crest cells. So these are the four sources we need to develop eye. In our previous lectures on the development of eye, we have seen that how each source of the development is giving rise to different structures of the eye. So let's now discuss sources of development and their derivatives. So let's start with neuroectoderm. Neuroectoderm is giving rise to the layers of retina, posterior layer of iris, ciliary processes, optic nerve, and pupillary muscles. One thing I would like to mention here that the suspensory ligaments are derived from the ciliary processes. So these are the derivatives of the neuroectoderm. Number 1, layers of retina. Number 2, posterior layer of iris. Number 3, ciliary processes. Number 4, suspensory ligaments. Number 5, optic nerve. And number 6, pupillary muscles. So this is the way in which the neuroectoderm contributes to eye development. So let's now move to the surface ectoderm. Surface ectoderm is giving rise to lens, outer surface of cornea, conjunctiva, and lacrimal gland. So these are the derivatives of surface ectoderm. What these derivatives are: number 1 lens, number 2 outer surface of cornea, or you can say corneal epithelium, number 3 conjunctiva, and number 4 lacrimal gland. So this is the way in which the surface ectoderm contributes to eye development. Now let's move to the mesoderm. Mesoderm is participating in the formation of choroid and scleral layers, corneal epithelium, angioplast of choroid layer, extraocular muscles, and vitreous body. So these are the derivatives of the mesoderm. What are the derivatives? Number 1, choroid and scleral layers. Number 2, corneal epithelium. Number 3, angioplast of choroid layer. Number 4, extraocular muscles. And number 5, vitreous body. So this is the way in which the mesoderm contributes to eye development. So now let's move to the neural crest cells. Neural crest cells are participating in the formation of choroid, sclera, corneal stroma, ciliary muscle, sphincter pupillae, dilator pupillae, fibrous sclera, and vascular choroid layer. So these are the derivatives of neural crest cells. What these derivatives are: number 1 choroid, number 2 sclera, number 3 corneal stroma, number 4 ciliary muscles, number 5 sphincter pupillae, number 5 dilator pupillae, number 6 fibrous sclera, and number 7 vascular choroid layer. So this is the way in which the neural crest cells contributes to eye development. So this was today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will be studying the congenital anomalies of the eye. So see you in next lecture.